Here, Mama snoring. Marty's asleep too, but he wakes up real easy. I don't know if I can get him or not. I think he almost woke up. Let's get him. He sleeps like he's dead. Good morning, Tonto.
Oh, please stop.
What? Recording you?
Oh,
Wait, you're sleeping with no shirt on.
yeah, that shirt's so tight, it's strangling me in my sleep. Please stop.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, baby. I just want to go to sleep for a little bit, okay?
Wow, what time you go to bed?
I don't know, probably about 2 something.
Are you sure?
I said I'd watch TV for a little bit, but that's it.